Come on, baby, let's go west to the promised land. Take my hand again, load up the car and drive real far. I could play for cash at the Walmart. Don't think twice this time, you know I'm real fond of Oregon. It would rain outside while I write my songs. It don't rain enough around here, and you know it don't. Sunset Drive is quite alright with me, baby, but we can't stay here forever. The future's been too bright for too long, so take some time and get certified. I'll pump the gas and baby, we'll go driving to Interstate 75. So Kaylee, don't be afraid to come with me. There are some things that we need to see, but they're on the other side. That green grass turns to...
I want to show that this world is beautiful. And I also want to show through my photos and videos that it is full of joy. And your life, too, is beautiful in this wonderful world. At Ginger Song, where history and culture come alive.
Pack up your things. Here's a bus ticket home for your troubles. I know it's not ideal. I'll walk you down. My mom's on the porch. She wants to say goodbye. I know it's not ideal.
Perhaps one day I'll hit the lotto, then my bills would all be paid. Money no longer would be a bother. My life would never be the same. We could travel all around this world, fly first class every day.